Most trading systems promise you an edge. The three-wave system promises something simpler and more reliable. The moment when the market stops arguing with itself and starts speaking with one voice. You know the feeling. You're watching price action, waiting for that rare alignment where the weekly chart, the 2-day chart, and the 195-minute chart all line up like they're reading from the same script. Heikin-Ashi bodies clean, vertical crossovers confirming, volume supporting the move. Suddenly, the trade doesn't feel like a coin flip. It feels almost inevitable. That's true consensus, and it's one of the most powerful signals in the entire three waves framework. The market is usually a cacophony. The weekly wave says one thing, the 2-day says another, and the 195-minute chart is screaming something completely different. Retail traders jump on the loudest voice, usually the shortest time frame, and wonder why they keep getting whipsawed. True consensus is different. It's when all three time frames finally agree. The weekly Heikin-Ashi shows a clear structural trend with supportive volume. The 2-day chart confirms the momentum and structure without divergence. The 195-minute chart delivers a clean trigger with vertical crossover and volume conviction. When that happens, probability tilts sharply in your favor. The market isn't fighting itself. The big money and the shorter-term players are on the same page. These setups don't happen every day, which is exactly why they work when they do. Waiting for true consensus is psychologically difficult. It feels passive. It feels like you're missing out while everyone else is piling into the latest hot ticker. FOMO whispers that you should just take the 195-minute signal and hope the higher time frames catch up later. But chasing without alignment is how accounts slowly bleed out. The best trades in the three-wave system often feel almost too obvious once they form. The weekly is trending, the 2-day is supporting it, and the 195-minute gives you the entry. No drama, no heroic calls, just the market speaking clearly across three horizons. I've taken plenty of the other kind of trades, the exciting ones where only 1 or 2 time frames agreed. The market has a polite but expensive way of reminding you why patience across all three waves beats cleverness on one. Look for these moments mechanically. Weekly Heikin-Ashi trend intact with volume above average. 2-day momentum and structure confirming the weekly direction. 195-minute vertical crossover with volume above average as the tactical trigger. Bonus, watch for the fade on the other side. Shrinking bodies and declining volume across frames often signal the consensus is breaking down. These full alignment setups tend to produce the cleanest trends and the best risk-reward. You take fewer trades, but the ones you do take have the wind at their back. Markets go through every possible phase. Euphoric bulls, grinding bears, and soul-crushing ranges. Headlines and narratives will always shift. But the way price discovers value across different time horizons has been remarkably consistent for decades. True consensus in the three-wave system doesn't require you to predict the next macro shock or central bank move. It simply shows you when the market has stopped arguing with itself and when the probability of continuation is at its highest. Traders who chase every wiggle or fight the weekly wave tend to pay tuition. Those who wait for true alignment collect it. Everything is laid out in clear, practical detail in my new book, Three-Wave Trading Advantage, the exact time frames, Heikin-Ashi rules, risk management, and the psychology of waiting for true alignment. No 47 indicators, no holy grail, just a better way to listen to what the market is actually saying. Support our work at Charting Wealth on Patreon. Follow the charts, not the noise. The three waves are already talking. Are you listening? What do you think? Have you experienced the power of true consensus in your own trading, or are you still fighting the different time frames? Drop your best alignment or misalignment story below. We've all been there.